Alright, welcome back to another video here. Today we're going to be talking about the infamous 2025 blizzard in the state of Kansas and Missouri and all over the Midwest really. This blizzard dumped about a foot of snow here in my town, Lawrence, Kansas. And so basically I have a bunch of little clips and videos breaking down kind of, what the snow looked like at the time I recorded the video. I'll make sure to have the times and dates listed on each one of these. So basically I recorded 4 different clips of me going outside or just opening the door, just recording from my car. Then I have a photo of me scraping off my car at the very end. So I hope you enjoy these little videos that I put on here. So basically these are what the store shelves looked like over at my local Walmart. This is our big Walmart here in Lawrence, Kansas. So basically what happened here is the bread got really low. Like everyone was getting ready for this storm ahead of time. It was busy at every grocery store that I went to. I mean, I work at one too, so it was busy even stocking the shelves. It was not fun at all during this storm, trying to get everything ready, because everyone wanted the same things. They wanted beans, they wanted bread, they wanted toilet paper, they wanted milk, they wanted all the necessities and basics. So that's what they went for. And so the store shelves look pretty empty, especially at Walmart here. Even the big Walmart was really busy. Like you go in there, every single checkout line, there was like 6 to 8 people at a time. And you were waiting at least 10 minutes to check out. At every single line, even self-checkout. And in fact, the self-checkout went all the way into that produce almost. So yeah, it was a very busy Friday for every grocery store in Lawrence. Alright, so this is what it looks like outside right now. Very deep snow. As you can see, a good 2, 3, maybe 4 inches already. And we're over here looking at a foot. And see, the snowplow guy's not even out right now. It's too deep. Alright, here we go, guys. Outside now. As you can see, the snow is beyond recognition. You really can't see nothing for miles and miles, but white powdered snow. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to go outside for a minute here and just show you just the kind of snow we are dealing with here. Alright, glove is on. Alright. Whoo, man. We have a snowdrift here that is at least knee deep. I have made it out to my car, and man, my footprints are insane right now. Some of this is plowed and wow. Just a little trip out to my car, and you can see how deep everything is. Snowdrift about a good 4 or 5 feet. It is a little slick out here, and that right there is how deep it is. Wow. At least 4 or 5 inches and more over in our yard here. Winds are gusting around 35, 40 miles an hour, and we have a ton of snowdrifts out here. This is currently what it looks like in my neighborhood. Yeah, craziness. Alright guys, filming yet another video, the aftermath of the snowstorm. According to the Lawrence Times, we had anywhere between 11 and 11.5 inches with more in spots. And a bunch of snow drifts everywhere. I mean, check out all that snow. I'm filming from my car. Just look at all that snow outside. It's a megaton. The storm was so bad it even prompted the WEA on everyone's phone to go off. And it said on here that traveling for emergencies only, they wanted everyone to stay off the roads because everyone's covered in snow. And the snowplows even had a hard time plowing all the snow on the roads. It was such a challenge for everyone that it's still, even today, Tuesday, even still today, they're having issues with the clearing of all the roads. Like, they've cleared the main roads, but the side roads and neighborhood roads are still having trouble with. All the news stations everywhere was telling people, do not travel if you don't have to. That's how bad this storm was. Like, nobody was out on the roads. It was almost a ghost town. And even when people were on the roads, they were very likely to get into an accident. There were several hundred reports of accidents between Lawrence, Topeka, Kansas City. And there was a bad ice storm way out by St. Louis. So this storm had the potential to do everything, and it delivered a foot of snow in Lawrence, 14 inches in Topeka, and 16 inches in Manhattan. Like, there was so much snow everywhere that the snowplows had trouble even moving around to clear the snow. It was that bad.